Your bedroom at 2 a.m. The coughing won't stop. Every time you lie down, that thick mucus drips down your throat, triggering another coughing fit. You reach for water, but nothing helps. Your chest feels heavy, your throat burns, and sleep feels impossible. This isn't just about discomfort. When mucus sits in your airways for hours, bacteria multiply in that warm, moist environment. Your immune system works overtime trying to clear it out, but without the right support, you're fighting a losing battle. Tonight can be different. There's a simple drink you can make in 5 minutes with ingredients already in your kitchen. Research from medical institutions confirms what traditional medicine has known for centuries. These 5 ingredients work together to thin mucus, fight bacteria, and let you finally sleep through the night. Stay with me because I'm going to show you exactly how each ingredient works in your body, backed by actual research.
The ingredients I'm sharing with you today aren't based on social media trends or miracle claims. Studies published in peer-reviewed medical journals have examined these natural compounds and their effects on respiratory health. Researchers at institutions like Johns Hopkins Medicine and the Mayo Clinic have documented how these substances support your body's ability to manage mucus and fight respiratory infections. I'm going to walk you through the science in plain language, show you how to make this elixir, and explain exactly what's happening in your airways when you drink it. This is about giving your body the tools it needs to do what it was designed to do: heal itself. And most importantly, this is for you if you're tired of sleepless nights, if you're dealing with seasonal congestion, or if you want a natural option before reaching for medications. Let's start with thyme, a common cooking herb that's actually a respiratory powerhouse. Inside thyme is a compound called thymol, and this is where things get interesting. Research published in peer-reviewed journals shows that thyme extract has anti-inflammatory properties and helps reduce mucus secretion in human bronchial cells. In one study, researchers found that thyme extract increases the beating frequency of cilia, those tiny hairs in your airways that sweep mucus out. Thymol works as a natural antimicrobial agent. It disrupts bacterial cell membranes, helping your body fight the bacteria that can thrive in stagnant mucus. But here's the key benefit. Thymol acts as an expectorant. This means it helps thin your mucus, changing it from that thick, sticky consistency into something your body can actually move and expel. Clinical trials have shown that products containing thyme extract reduced cough frequency by 68% compared to placebo in patients with acute bronchitis. That's not folklore, that's documented research on real patients. When you drink thyme tea before bed, thymol goes to work while you sleep, helping your airways clear themselves naturally.
Now we add honey. And this is where the Mayo Clinic's research becomes important. They have published findings showing that honey acts as a reliable cough suppressant for people with upper respiratory infections. Here's what honey does in your body. First, it coats your throat. When mucus drips down, it irritates receptors that trigger your cough reflex. Honey creates a protective layer that soothes those receptors, reducing that constant urge to cough. But honey does more than just coat. Studies show it has antibacterial properties and contains antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in your respiratory tract. In one research study, children who took honey before bed experienced better sleep and reduced nighttime coughing compared to those who took common cough medications. The World Health Organization recognized honey's potential role in treating cough as early as 2001. Multiple clinical trials have confirmed that just a teaspoon of honey can reduce both the frequency and severity of coughing. When you can't sleep because of constant coughing, honey doesn't just mask the problem, it actively supports your body's healing process.
Next comes lemon, and this is about more than just vitamin C, though that's important too. 1 lemon provides about 30 milligrams of vitamin C. That's roughly 1/3 of your daily needs.
Vitamin C is essential for immune function. Your white blood cells, the ones that fight infections, need vitamin C to work properly. Research shows it helps these cells protect you from respiratory infections and supports your body's defense systems. But lemon juice has another critical function for mucus. The citric acid in lemon helps break down mucus at a molecular level. Think of mucus as having a chain-like structure. Lemon's acidity weakens those chains, making the mucus thinner and easier for your body to expel. Studies have documented that adequate vitamin C intake can help reduce the duration and severity of colds. While it won't prevent you from getting sick, it supports your immune system when you need it most. Fresh lemon juice also creates an environment in your body that's less favorable for bacteria to multiply, giving your immune system a better chance to win the battle. Ginger brings powerful anti-inflammatory properties to this elixir. The active compounds in ginger are called gingerols, and research shows they reduce inflammation in multiple ways. Johns Hopkins Medicine reports that ginger contains over 400 natural compounds, and several of these are anti-inflammatory. Studies on human bronchial cells show that ginger compounds can reduce the secretion of inflammatory chemicals that cause swelling in your airways. When your respiratory tract is inflamed, it produces excess mucus and narrows your airways. Gingerols help reduce that inflammation, allowing your airways to open up and function normally. Research published in respiratory medicine journals shows ginger has been effective in reducing airway inflammation in asthma patients. One study demonstrated that ginger extract helped mitigate lung inflammation in mice with respiratory conditions. Ginger also improves circulation, which means more immune cells can reach infected or inflamed areas in your respiratory tract. Better circulation equals better healing, especially while you sleep. The final ingredient is cayenne pepper, and this is where many people hesitate. But hear this, the active compound in cayenne, capsaicin, is one of nature's most effective decongestants. Research shows that capsaicin stimulates your nasal passages and airways to produce thinner secretions and increase drainage. A 2019 study found that capsaicin nasal spray provided significant, rapid relief from nasal congestion, with improvement starting within 10 minutes. Here's how it works. Capsaicin stimulates the nerves in your respiratory tract. This stimulation triggers your body to thin mucus and increase blood flow to the area. More blood flow means more immune cells and faster healing. Cayenne pepper is also rich in beta-carotene, which helps develop healthy mucous membranes in your respiratory tract. Healthy membranes are your first line of defense against bacteria and viruses. You only need a small amount, just a dash or two. When combined with honey, you won't experience burning, but the capsaicin will still work to clear your airways throughout the night. Before I give you the recipe, understand this. None of these ingredients work optimally if you're dehydrated. Mucus is made of water, proteins, and other compounds. When you're dehydrated, your mucus becomes thick and sticky. Think of it this way. You can't wash dishes without water. Similarly, your body can't flush out mucus without adequate hydration. These ingredients help break down and thin the mucus, but your body needs water to actually expel it. Drink water throughout the day. Keep your mucous membranes moist. When you drink this elixir at night, you're giving your body both the tools to break down mucus and the hydration to remove it. Here's exactly how to make this elixir. Start with 1 cup of boiling water. Add 1 teaspoon of dried thyme or 2 teaspoons of fresh thyme. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger or a small slice of fresh ginger root. Let this steep for 5 to 10 minutes covered so the beneficial compounds extract into the water. Strain the mixture. While it's still warm but not hot, stir in 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Squeeze in the juice from 1/4 of a lemon, about 1 tablespoon. Add 1 small dash of cayenne pepper. Drink this 30 minutes before bed. Sip it slowly over 5 to 10 minutes.
let it coat your throat. You can use this elixir 1 to 3 times daily when you're congested, once before bed at minimum, but you can also have it in the morning and afternoon if needed.
Within 15 to 20 minutes, you may notice your nose starting to run slightly. That's good. That's drainage happening. You might have a productive cough, bringing up mucus. That's exactly what should happen. By the time you lie down, your airways will be clearer. The anti-inflammatory compounds will work through the night. The antibacterial properties will fight infection, and you'll actually sleep. Most people notice significant improvement by the 2nd or 3rd day. Less mucus production overall, easier breathing, better sleep, more energy during the day because they're actually resting at night. This isn't a cure for serious respiratory diseases. If you have a high fever, difficulty breathing, or symptoms lasting more than a week, see a doctor. This elixir supports your body's natural healing. It doesn't replace medical care when you need it. If this information helps you or someone you love, type yes in the comments right now. Share this video with anyone who struggles with nighttime congestion or chronic coughing. Hit that like button so more people who need this can find it. Subscribe for more evidence-based natural health information that actually works. You don't have to suffer through another sleepless night. You have the power to support your body's healing. Make this elixir tonight. Give yourself the relief you deserve. Thank you for watching.